Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing Breezy HR. Find links below. Breezy HR is a user-friendly applicant tracking system designed to streamline hiring. It's great for businesses of all sizes looking to optimize recruitment and improve candidate experience. One standout feature is the drag-and-drop pipeline management. Create custom pipelines for different roles and easily track candidates. This visual approach keeps your team organized. Breezy HR also includes sourcing and job posting tools. Post to LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor with a few clicks. Source candidates through social media and build a branded careers page to attract top talent. Collaboration is key. Breezy HR lets your team share notes, schedule interviews, and communicate internally. Automated reminders and email templates save time. Calendar integrations make scheduling smooth. Candidate experience is also prioritized. Video interviewing and customizable application forms simplify evaluations. Analytics and reporting tools provide insights into your hiring pipeline, helping optimize processes. While Breezy HR excels at recruitment, it's not a full CRM for broader business relationships. However, it's a powerful tool for hiring teams. Breezy HR is excellent for businesses wanting a simple yet robust tool to streamline hiring. Its pipeline management, sourcing tools, and collaborative features are valuable assets. Check the links below to explore Breezy HR and see if it's right for you. Hopefully this review helps you decide.